Hello there, I want to wish everybody an happy Christmas and a happy new year. Thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing, thank you for all the comments and all the great feedback you've given me. It's been fantastic to read all the comments over the last 12 months. And it's always exciting when people put on it that the videos are helping them, or they passed the driving test and the videos have helped them. So if you're one of them people who've passed this year in 2018, then well done. Congratulations to every one of you, and be safe on the roads, especially around Christmas time. You never know who's around the corner. So be safe, and don't forget to keep watching the videos, because I put some videos out there to help people who have to pass the driving test. If you're new to driving, there's a playlist below on the link, or at the end of the video. I'll put it up there, and the video's there to help you. If you've got your test coming up in January or February, good luck with them, and remember, don't be afraid to ask your instructor for help. Okay? Good luck with your driving, good luck with your driving test, safe driving.